Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to scan a QR code in Telegram to join a group. Whether you are trying to join a community, a private group, or just connect with friends, this guide will make it super simple, so let's get started. First, make sure you have the latest version of the Telegram app installed on your phone. Open the Telegram app and make sure you are logged in. Now, there are two main ways to scan a QR code in Telegram. First method is using the built-in scanner. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Now select settings. Then tap on the QR code icon next to your profile icon and tap scan QR code. Now using your phone's second method is using your phone camera. Open your phone's camera app, point it to the Telegram QR code, and you should see a join group option pop up. Tap it, and it will open in Telegram. After scanning, you will see a join group button. Tap it to confirm, and you will instantly join the group. If you are having trouble, make sure the QR code is clear and well lit. Ensure your phone's camera is focused. Update your Telegram app if you are using an older version. And that's it. Now you know how to quickly join Telegram groups using QR codes. It's a fast and secure way to connect with like-minded people. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and share, subscribe for more Telegram tips.